guys, so today we finally got the Civic Type R on the lift because it is a little bit lowered after we lowered it on I-box springs. We have the coil rat radiator, HKS exhaust, buddy club steering wheel, mishimoto intake, intercooler with the charge pipes. We're gonna go ahead and unbox everything, show you guys exactly how it goes. So before we get dirty, we're gonna go ahead and install the buddy club steering wheel because that's the easiest, and then the rest of the time we're gonna be sitting on the floor. So let's go ahead and get this on. Catch up to speed real quick. The buddy club steering wheel is on, finished. So if you guys didn't know what the stock exhaust looks like on the Civic Type R, it's all one long piece. This is how it is. We already ripped it all apart, and now we're going to show you guys the HKS. HKS is getting mounted up. Two tip because HKS. Damn, look at that. Brighten that up for you guys. Looks beautiful. So right now we're working on draining the radiator, emptying it out, and then we're gonna replace and pull it out. I'll show you guys that piece real quick. That's the stock one. Continue moving forward. So with the front bumper being removed, this is your stock intercooler. This is what we're gonna be replacing right there. Making room to install the intake system as well, and we have to replace the piping that we got from Mishimoto also. So it's been a long little process to get to, but we'll get to it. Coil rat radiator, we already strapped on the actual fans. Those mounting points are good. Once we finish putting the charge pipes, we'll put it back into place, put it right back in. Just to show you guys, this is where the couplings go. We're going to install the intercooler from. This is all replaced Mishimoto all the way around, so it goes snicks it all the way down to the back, and it's going to connect to the other side that's way over there. Really quick, this is what we're working on. You guys see the radiator's gone. Pipes right there. Install that, swap it all out. So this is the stock piece that went to the intercooler. This is what it looks like, just in case you guys didn't know. Oops. It's a rubber grommet. It's the rubber clamp, don't worry. The metal clamp. Don't worry, pal. We'll be alright. And this is what it got upgraded to. See it all the way, runs all the way down there. All the way back up, connects it all over there. So right now we're making room for the intake system and be good. So right now we are tightening up all the radiator hoses. The radiator fit in like a glove, coil rad, fans are attached. We got the piping to the intercooler all settled in. Clear that up for you guys. That's exactly where it goes. Runs down to the bottom. Work on the intercooler next. Just a brief little update. This is the intercooler in the box. Just unwrapping it. Look at how much thicker it is than the stock one. It's gonna feel really good. Looks good. The radiator is finished. Intake is getting finished right now. That's where we're tying up the hoses. Intercooler is done as well. There's the top of it right there. All right, guys. So we have finished today's adventure. Intercooler is on with the pipes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gotta pause for that. Still CTR coming out. But we installed the intercooler with the pipes, coil rad radiator, Mishimoto intake, Cusco strut bar, and the buddy club steering wheel inside the car with the HKS exhaust system. All we're doing is waiting for the HKS downpipes and all that other fun stuff, and we will install that. But right now we're gonna hit you guys with the HKS startup because you guys are curious about how the sound is, and then we're gonna do that and then let you guys know. Go ahead.